Doing me. That's what I'm doing. Hitting 40 this year. So, Julia, this morning, took the baby to school, did some errands, went and did thunder, and then did hot iso, followed by 100 squats. Man, I'm doing me. Workout mama. Workout credit repair queen, helping you. I gotta help me too. If I don't have some energy left in me, I'm not gonna be able to help you. So what I do is in the mornings, I love to work out before I start my day. I love helping people and giving them results and fighting for them. But the mornings are mine. That's my time to work out, do what I want to do. It's amazing. All right, it's Tuesday, May 23rd, I think. I don't know, I haven't checked into work yet, but I'm heading to the office. So if you guys need help with your credit, you let me know. Give me a call. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.